It's right here, and I'm out here in the wilderness hiding because all these local businesses are looking for me so that I can make videos for them, and I don't have the time. I am far too busy. So what I want to be able to do is provide you with an opportunity where you can make all sorts of great videos for local businesses super easy. I'm talking about voiceovers already being there, the templates already being there, different styles of videos, all in one place where you can start to make your own videos for these local businesses. So you want to do that? Well, take a look at the inside of this while I go back to hiding.
Okay, so here we are on the inside of Videoz with a Z, and you can see here when you get in, you've got your templates, you've got your video stock, you've got your audio stock, your help, your bonuses, and your tutorials all right front and center. Now on the left-hand side, you'll see that you've got templates, my videos, white label, tutorials, and help. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the templates, and we're going to click on this, and you can see when you do, there's a lot of templates that are in here, and you scroll, it's going to add more and keep adding more to the field here. So lots and lots of templates to choose from, as you can see. Now coming back up to the top here, you can actually choose the category that you want. So for instance, they got restaurant, they got travel, they've got wedding, real estate, sport, business, beauty shop, healthcare, professionals, contractors, marketing, and home cleaning. Now, contractors, of course, is one that I would do a lot with, so I'm going to choose that one. And you'll be able to look at just the contractor videos that are in here. And you can see we've got painting class, we've got electrical contractor, we've got handyman, we've got home painter, we've got plumbing, we've got electrician, we've got a house painter, we've got handyman, we got kitchen remodeling, roof contractor, plumbing contractor, roofing contractor. So you can choose from any of these. And I'm going to say, well, let's go with this roof is leaking. So we're going to click on that there, and it's going to give you a preview of this, and let's watch it.
If your roof is leaking or showing signs of water damage from a recent storm, your roof needs attention as soon as possible. The longer your delay getting your roof the attention it deserves, the more expensive your repair bill can be. So don't put it off and don't settle for fly-by-night roofing companies, just to save a little cash and some time. Most of the time they'll end up costing you more money in the long run.
Okay, so if we like any of these, if we like this one, we can hit Edit Template, and that's going to bring us into the editing section where we can very quickly make changes to this. And you can see you can click on any of the slides to kind of see them here, and you can play them.
It deserves. The more expensive.
Okay, and then you can come in here and you can make any changes. So maybe you want people to hold off. So do hold off would be the change there. So we want people to, we want people to hold off. Okay, and so that will be
repair bill can be.
Do put it off.
So don't put it off.
Okay, and of course you can come in here. We can change this. Do get it repaired. Okay, so we can change that to. Oops, some of us can't spell. There we go. And now, of course, this doesn't quite fit in there, so we're going to want to stretch that out. Do get it repaired. Okay, and so now that changes to what we want. We can change the text color if we want. We can change the background. We can change the font. We can change the size. All of that can be done from in here. And you can see these are your two layers that you can choose from there. Once we're done with that, we can go in and we can click on the next one here. And again, we can save a little cash and save some trouble. So maybe we'll say trouble instead of time. So very easy to change these to make them say whatever it is that you want it to say. You can see we saved it there, which we didn't save the other one, by the way. And come down here to the last piece here. Let's play this one.
And provide you with a proper written estimate for repair.
Okay, so there's our logo, our website, and our phone number. So again, very easy to change this to www.mywebsite.com. And of course, you can come up here and to the far right, you can change the image, and that's going to be your logo. And of course, you can change the phone number there as well, which actually, let's play that.
Experienced, reliable, and fully insured local roofer you need. Give us a...
There we go. So now we see that there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Very easy to change that. And again, you can change your logo here, All you have to do is browse, and you can choose your logo. So let's see if we can find one for me. Ray 1400. And that's going to be huge, but that's all right. We'll just choose that anyway. I'll save that. And there we go. All right, and it even resizes it to fit there. So now...
Call now to have us come take a look at your roof today.
Very, very simple, easy to save that. And then over here, you can export it. You can also change your audio. Okay, so you can control that audio. Play that here. Okay, we can swap it. We can delete it. All of that done in here. And then once we're done, simply hit export. You can see video has been published. Once the video is ready to be downloaded, you'll be notified by email. We're going to close that. And then, of course, we can go to My Videos by clicking here. And you'll see the videos that we've put together, including the new one right here, the roofing contractor. If we click on this, we can edit, duplicate, or delete that. And you can see it says right there, rendering. And the other ones here are set at draft mode. This one is already rendered. And we can rename that if we want. We can change the description. Or, well, we can download it, share it, preview it, duplicate it. Let's preview it here. Okay, so you get the idea. Then you can download it here. You can also re-edit it by clicking here. And you are done. Okay, so that is Videoz, an easy way for you to be able to create local marketing videos without having to spend a ton of time in a video editor, without having to buy expensive templates and use something like After Effects. It's going to cost you a fortune. We still love After Effects, but this is going to allow you to very, very quickly and easily create some great videos for local businesses that you can then use to either sell, you could even give them away because they are so easy to make. You could make one, give it to them as a special gift to get attention. You can create others, you can sell them. All of that from within one product here. And again, all these templates that you're able to use for your marketing purposes for you or your clients. So with that, we hope that you enjoy this program. We've got some great bonuses that we've added, including our own videos that are going to match some of these categories up here. So you're going to get your own videos from me, instant spokesperson videos, that you won't be able to edit in here, but of course there'll be some great complimentary videos for these, and you'll be able to edit them in your traditional fashion. We also got some other great bonuses, and of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to answer them for you.
All right, well, what did you think? Pretty cool, right? All those templates, the voiceovers already built in, the different styles, all of that is going to allow you to be able to make videos for all these businesses so that I don't have to hide out here in the wilderness any longer. In fact, I don't know if I can take it much more, so I got to get out of here. But be sure to click the link down below, then scroll down the page to check out all the bonuses that we have for this as well, and we'll see you next time. I'm going inside the cabin. Oh!